How to add Visa card to Venmo in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to add Visa card to Venmo. It's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to add a Visa card to Venmo, okay? So just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you in this video and you're gonna be able to add a Visa card to Venmo, okay? So don't panic, it's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow, okay? So the first thing that we need to do is to go to your phone, and after going to your phone, what you need to do is to go to the Venmo app and open it, okay? Okay, so after opening Venmo app, so you're gonna find this page. So what you need to do next is to click on settings, okay? So just click on settings. Okay, so after clicking on settings, you're gonna find a lot of options here. So what we need to choose is the option of payment methods. So just click on payment methods. Okay, and after you're gonna find add a bank or a card. So you just need to click on it. And after clicking on add a bank or a card, you're gonna find three options: bank, card. Okay, and here is the last step. What you need to do here is to enter the informations about your card, okay, like card number, expiration date and security code. You just need to enter all this info about your card, and after you just need to click on add, and like this, congrats, you just added a Visa card on Venmo app, okay? As I told you, it's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to add a Visa card on Venmo. That would be it, and I will see you in the next video.